Good afternoon, students. This is nothing but the test leak for Pelton turbine. Here one pump is there which will suck the water from this reservoir. This is the reservoir created only for conducting the experiments. With the help of this full force, water will get strikes on these buckets. Buckets are put into the casing. Firstly, you will see priming. So why priming is important? To remove the air from the system, we have to do it priming. Priming means we have to fill up completely with the water, and then we have to start the pump. When we start the pump, water will directly get sucked from this pump and it will send and it will get strikes on the buckets. So firstly, these are nothing but from the main switch. You have to switch it on. Pump will get start. Water will flow from the venturimeter. So two tubes are available for measuring the input pressure from the venturimeter and output pressure. These are the two dial indicators for measuring the input pressure and output pressure. You can see these dial indicators, two dial indicators for input and output. This is nothing but the total construction of this Pelton turbine. So these buckets are there mounted on the rotor. The water from high force, it is by adjusting this knob or lever, the water will get strikes which will enters from this nozzle at high speed. So this is a nozzle situated here. From this nozzle it will get directly strikes on the buckets and bucket starts rotating. This is kept on the same shaft. The same shaft is connected here and this shaft will rotate accordingly. We have to measure the speed of the shaft with the help of this tachometer. There are two systems for this which we have to take the readings at constant head and constant speed. First, at the time of constant head, we have to fix this knob for entering the water which will get strikes, and after finalization of this only we have to check the speed. For every reading we have to increase the load or weight on this runner, on this shaft. If we increase this load with the help of this assembly, the speed of the shaft will automatically go down or it will get decreases. So we have to take total 4 to 5 readings for this. Again, we have to, second case, we have to maintain the constant speed. At that time first we will set the speed and increase the load. If we increase the load, speed will go on decreases. Again, for increasing, for maintaining that speed constant, we have to regulate with the help of this valve, and it will directly increase the speed of the water which will get strikes. This is nothing but this dial indicator which will give us the reading for the inlet pressure which get increases. If we again increase the load, speed will get decreases, but we have to maintain the constant speed. For that purpose, again we have to increase the flow. Again this pressure will get increases which will get strikes on the blade. In this way we have to maintain the constant speed. Total 4 to 5 readings are taken for constant head as well as constant speed. Each and every time we have to consider the reading for venturimeter inlet pressure, venturimeter outlet pressure, and this operates on the atmospheric pressure, so it is not required to provide any type of V-section which already provided in case of reaction turbine. So this is impulse turbine. So the water is directly coming down to sump again it will get lifted. This is nothing but the casing provided around the periphery of the these buckets, such that after striking the water on this bucket it will not get splashed here, there, and it will directly go to the sump. So this is nothing but the reservoir. These are the various loads or weights available which will get applied at this assembly. Spring system is available. With the help of this scale we have to take the reading that how much weight get applied at the time of readings. This is nothing but the rope brake dynamometer. With the help of this we have to check how much amount of weight get added, and for the correspondingly how much decrease in the speed or increase in the flow rate of the water from that dial indicator. So this is nothing but the complete assembly. After taking the readings, we have to again switch off the valve.
You will see it again.
and actual how it works at the time of trial we will get confirmed. This previous video I told you the somewhat theoretical portion about this test rig. This is the actual working of the test rig. So we will start this and then we will take the readings. Okay.